Okay, so let's see how we can answer eighth geometry question. Paper 1, okay, that came 2018. It says the diagram below shows points A 60 degrees north, 30 degrees west, point B there 30 degrees south, 30 degrees west, and C 30 degrees south and 75 degrees east. Okay, so this is a global or the Earth's surface. Okay, so they are saying if the local time at B is 15 hours, what is the local time at C? If here at B it's 15 hours, what will be the time at C? Okay. So now, how do you calculate time? Okay. So the first, remember, we are dealing with B and C. B is on longitude 30, C on longitude what? 75. Remember, these they are in the same latitude. Okay. So how do you calculate time at C? The first thing that you need to do, you need to calculate the difference in longitude. Okay. First thing, calculate the difference in what? Longitude is there. Okay. So you have been given there west there, which is 30 degrees west there, and instead they have been given 75 degrees east. Remember, when you are dealing with the difference, okay, we follow the principle of directions. Okay, when the directions are the same, we subtract the numbers. When they are different there, you add the numbers. So remember there we have 30 degrees west and the 75 degrees what? East. So these directions are different. So you add the numbers. First difference, you add 75 plus what? 30. First, the difference. The difference in longitude or longitudes. Now we have 30 degrees. Remember, these are, they differ in what? Directions. We have west and east plus what? 75. And our answer there is 105. Okay, that is our answer there. Now, when you are done dealing with the difference there, you find the time. Okay, remember we are saying time is equal to theta over 15 degrees. Okay, what is the theta? The theta is an angle, which is the difference in what? Longitude there. Now remember, when you are dealing with time, we just say 1 hour there is equivalent to 15 degrees. That is this 15 degrees there. Okay, so we say T is equal to, what is the theta? This theta is 10 what? 5 over over what? Over 15 degrees. Then you have time is equal to, you divide 15 into 105 there, you have what? 7 hours. That's the time. Now, this is not the final answer. The thing I should bear in your mind now is the issue of direction. Okay, B to C. What happens? C to B. What happens? Now, when you are moving from B to C, you add the what? The time. Okay, out there. C to B, you subtract the time. Out there. Okay, so B to C there. Okay, you add the time. You say therefore, remember we are saying time at point B there is what? 15 hours. Time at point B is 15 hours. You add with what? 07 hours. The one we have obtained here. Okay. Then 0 here, 0 here. This into this one is what? 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 there is 1 plus 1 there is 2. So our answer here is 22 hours. Okay, this I would deal with what? This I would deal with the time. Okay, now let's see at the next question there. The next question there says, it takes a plane 6 hours to fly from A to B. What is its speed in knots? Now, the first thing you should bear in your mind, what you should know, what is speed? Okay, remember we are saying speed, this is the rate of changing distance with what? Time. That is speed. Okay, so the formula there to get speed, we say speed, which is S, is equal to distance over what? Time taken. Now, in this case here, this speed is measured in knots. Okay, speed is measured in what? Knots. Now, we need to know what is distance. Okay, and remember we are doing the distance A to B. This is the distance in longitude. Okay, this is the distance in what? Longitude. So you need to calculate the distance of A and what? B. Okay, we say AB, the distance, is equal to. Now, this paper one, put this always in your head, this paper one. What you do, okay, use the simplest formula. You say theta times what? 60 degrees. This formula, it is only applicable when you are dealing with what? Nautical miles. Okay. Now, when you are dealing with the distance in longitude, what is this theta? Okay. The theta in this case, this is the difference in what? Latitude. Okay. This is the difference in what? Latitude. Remember, the latitude here, we have 30 and what? 60. Okay. You add what is 30 plus what? 60. Then you have 90. Okay. Times what? You have 90 times what? 60. Okay. Equal to. Okay. 0 times 0 is what? 0. Another 0 is 0. Okay. Then you multiply. What is 6 times 9 is what? 54. So this is our distance in nautical what? Miles. Okay. Now you go back to the formula there. We're saying speed is equal to what? Distance over what? Time. Okay. Then our distance is this one. That is our distance for AB there. So where there's D replaced with this one, 5,400. Okay. Over time given here, you have been given 6 hours. Okay. Replace with 6 hours here. Okay. Then you divide. You say 5 into 54 is what? 9. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 0 is what? 0. Okay. You write the units, which is the knots. Speed always is calculated what? Knots in this case. So the value for speed there is equal to 900 knots. That is the value of speed. Okay. So if you have any question concerning earth geometry paper 1, please don't hesitate to WhatsApp me or call on this line 1975 637867. You WhatsApp or you call. Thank you very much for your time.